The Doogee S89 Pro is Doogee's latest innovative rugged device. Doogee's rugged devices are very innovative. They bring about new cool features that we rarely see on other rugged devices. The S89 Pro is sometimes called the Batman phone by Doogee fans, and that is because of the way the rear of the device is designed. It also ships with a case that once worn on the device, it brings out this shape of Batman's mask, which I think is kind of cool. Anyway, in this video, we'll talk about some of the cool features of the Doogee S89 Pro, and be sure not to miss the limited offer of the S89 series. By using the links in the video description, you can be able to get the S89 Pro for a very cheap price. So without further ado, let's talk about some of the cool features of the S89 Pro. So the S89 Pro has a rugged design. On the right side, there is a power button and volume keys. The power button is embedded with a fingerprint scanner. It also has an aluminum frame. On the other side, there is a customizable key and a SIM slot. Its corners are covered with industrial rubber as well. At the back of the device, there is a camera module that houses triple cameras and a flash. There's also two RGB lights at the back, which Doogee calls versatile eyes. The function of these versatile eyes basically is to light up when receiving incoming calls, app notifications, and playing music. And the versatile eyes could be customized as well. You could customize the color type, light effect, speed, and pattern, and assign them in any way that you prefer. In terms of specs, the S89 Pro has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus LCD Dewdrop display. It is protected with a Gorilla Glass. It is powered by the Helio P90 chip. It also utilizes 8GB RAM, and there's 256GB onboard storage that could be expanded with an SD card. The phone has triple cameras, a 64MP main camera, a 20MP night vision camera, and an 8MP macro lens. The notch houses a 16MP front camera for selfies. It ships with the Android 12 OS, which is very good, and the smartphone has a really big battery, a 12,000 mAh battery, but there's no need to worry because there's a 65 watts fast charger that will be shipping with the smartphone. And according to Doogee, the 65 watts is capable of charging the device from 0% to 15% in just 20 minutes. That means in about 2 hours and a few minutes, the Doogee S89 Pro would be fully charged from 0% to 100%. Other specs of the device includes NFC. As mentioned earlier, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard certified, and it ships with an extra protective case. So those are some of the key features of the Doogee S89 Pro. And like I said, do not miss the limited offer of the S89 Pro. Make sure to use the links in the video description to be able to get the S89 Pro for very cheap prices. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.